Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to another part of Exponent, and today we are going to see how to write or express a number in exponential form. Sometimes you're given a number and you are required to write that number in exponential form. So before you start this topic, you need to have skill which is dividing a number by using prime factorization method. I hope everyone understands what is prime factorization method and you used it in HCF, LCM. So let's see how we can deal with it in this topic. Numbers can be rewritten in exponential form. How can we do it? Let's see this example. Write 16 in exponents. We want to write 16, this number, in exponent. Remember, this number is not in exponential form, so you are required to write this number in exponential form. Solution, let us see how we can work out this question. You have to write this 16. And we divide it by using prime factorization method. How are we going to start? Remember, we have some prime numbers which we use to divide this number. We have 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7. Everyone is clear about it. So 16, we start dividing by 2. I hope you know that 16 is divisible by 2 and the first prime number is 2. So we start putting here 2. So 16 divided by 2. The answer is 8. You're going to write 8 down here. Thereafter, you check 8 is divisible by 2 also, so put 2 here, divide again 8, divide by 2, the answer is 4. You write 4 down here. Again 4 is divisible by 2, you put 2 here, 2, then you divide 4, divide by 2, the answer is 2. Again 2 is divisible by 2, you put again 2 here, which is 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. When you get 1 here, it means your question is over. Remember to make these lines in order to separate the number which is divided and the number which divides. So 16 divided by 2 is 8, 8 again divided by 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 you get 2, divided by 2 is 1. This is prime factorization method we use to write the number in exponent. But remember, I just taught this in a very high speed because I hope you have prior knowledge about this division. That's why. So how are we going to write in exponent now? Let's see these prime factors here. We have 2, 2, 2, 2. They are 4. So our answer should be like this one. 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is expansion of 2 power 4. Remember, they are 4. That's why we have multiplied all here 4. Now, how many are they? I think you remember in our previous lesson we used to write expansion in short form. So in short form it will be 2 power 4, and this is how 16 is written in exponent, which is 2 power 4. Let's see example number 2. I hope example number 1 is clear. Example number 2, express 108 in exponential form. Solution here. Let's see solution. We start putting 108 as usual. We check, start dividing by 2. 108 divided by 2, the answer is 54. Again, 54 is divisible by 2, so you put 2 here, you continue dividing. 54 divided by 2, the answer is 27. 27 is not divisible by 2. The next prime number after 2 is 3. You all know this, so don't put 2 here because 27 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Put 3, continue dividing. 27 divided by 3, the answer is 9. Again, 9 is divisible by 3. Put 3 here, continue dividing. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. Again, 3 is divisible by 3 itself. You put 3. Now 3 divided by 3, the answer is 1. When you get 1, the question is over. You are going to consider these prime factors right here. Now we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So how are we going to write this in exponent? Let us see this one. We are going to see 108 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. In short form, 2 times 2 is equal to 2 power 2. This multiplication is going to be placed here, and 3 times 3 times 3, the answer is 3 power 3. Therefore, 108 in exponent will be 2 power 2 times 3 power 3. This is how we write a number in exponential form. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.